a bird? I see him. He's hiding underneath. Okay, let me open the door. Let me open the door. 1, 2. Oh my goodness gracious. Such happy doggies. Did you get him? Where did he go, Dink? Where is he? Show Mom. Where is he? Where did they go? Get the birdie. Where is he? Get him. Do you see him, Dink? Get the bird. Where did he fly to? Get him. Where is he? Get those birdies. Where is he? Do you see him anywhere? Where is he? Did you get him? Where is he? Causing all the trouble while I was at the grocery store, huh? Yes. Say, we was watching him the whole time, Mom. Yes. And it was a bird with a tail and a beak, and he was trying to get all of our plants, and he was going to take all of our toys. Oops. Yeah. Did you find him, Coco Loco? Do you smell him? Where is he? Trouble all over paradise. Just trouble everywhere. Yes. Go to the grocery store and the whole backyard turns into a jungle. Yes, huh, Dink? It's a jungle out here, I'll tell ya. A crazy, crazy jungle. These animals are trying to take all of our stuff. Wow, look at my potato vines. My sweet potato vines are expanding. Yes. Yes, thank goodness Mom's home from the grocery store. Yes, we need to protect our yard at all costs. Yes, this whole grocery store thing is crazy, Lolly. You should definitely have them delivered so you can stay home and help us patrol the backyard. Tell them.